Hello student, today we are going to learn about question words. Okay, chapter number 25 from your English grammar book. So our topic is question words. First of all, what are question words? Question words means sentences start with special words called question words and end with question mark. Look here everyone. Yes, can you see? This is question mark, okay? And the words what, which, why, when, who, how, where, these words are called question words, okay? So let us start with one by one question words, okay? So first, WHO, who. We say in Hindi कौन, okay? Who means कौन, okay? Where we use WHO, who is used when we ask questions about a person or people, okay? For singular and plural, okay? So who is used to when we ask questions about person or people, okay? So example, who are you? In singular and plural also, who are they? Okay. And one more example, who is at the door? Okay. So where we use WHO, who is used when we ask questions about a person or people, okay? Next, what? Where we use what? What means kya, okay? Is used when we talk about a thing or things, okay? Or information for someone or something. So what is used when we talk about thing or things, है ना? And information about someone or something, okay? Something about an object, idea and action. So let's see example. What are you doing? Okay. What is on the table? Talk about thing now. And what is the plan for today? Okay, so talk about an idea. So what is used when we talk about thing or things and information about something or someone, okay? So we use what and start our question with what, okay? Next, third, where. Where means kahan, okay? We say in Hindi kahan. So where is used when we talk about places, okay? We talk about places. Okay, so example देखो बच्चों, where are you going, है ना. Where are you going? One more example, see. Where is the shop? Okay, so we talk about places now in these questions. So we use where when we talk about places. Okay. Next, come to the next one. 4. Which means कौन सा या कौन सी. This is very important question word. So which is used to ask about particular thing or place. Okay, when we ask about particular thing or place. Okay, so we use there which. We start with our question which. Okay, so example, which subjects do you take this year? Okay, so we talk about particular subjects. Okay, so we start with our question with which. So next, when means कब. When we talk about time, so when is used to talk about time. We use there when. Okay, our question start with when we talk about time. So example, when do you go to school, है ना. When do you go to school? One more, when is the class. Okay, when is the meeting. So when we talk about time, so our sentence start with when. Okay, number 6. Why. Why means क्यों. Okay, so we talk about reason. When we talk about reason, है ना, ask about reason, purpose. Okay, so we use there why. Start our question with why. Example, why is she always late? Okay, next, why did you not come earlier? Why did you not come earlier? So when we talk about some reason and purpose about person or thing, na, so our question start with why. And next, HOW, how means कैसे. So ask about manner, ask about manner or method, okay, of doing something. We use how. Example, how are you? Okay, so the words are called question words, which is what, which, where, how, who, when, why. Okay, and what are question words? Sentences start with special words are called question words and end with question mark. Okay.